Easy cooking ideas. Cheap and simple. Easy to learn. Using simple ingredients. Simple quick recipes for beginner. Let's get cooking at home. Home Cooking Channel 2020. Most easiest way to cook tasty fish for beginner, Episode 1. Today this video will show you how to cook clear, spicy and sour fish. Let us see recipe preparation. We prepare 10 fresh yellow striped scad fish, also can use any fish. 10 pieces of dried tamarind. 10 small shallots, or red onion. 4 fresh Thai small chilies. A small piece of fresh ginger. 10 small segments of fresh lemongrass. 2 tablespoons of fish sauce. 9 small limes, we need the juice. We cut the limes into 2, easier for squeezing to get the fresh juice. We will use the lime's juice to get natural floral aroma and its sour flavor in our cooking. Don't forget to remove the seeds from juice before use. We cut fresh ginger into pieces now. Then we smashed the lemongrass section with a knife, because doing so will make the lemongrass emit a more fragrant scent when we boiling the soup. Let's remove the chilies head first. We will smash the small chilies with a knife also, because it makes it spicy when boiling in the soup. If you like more spicy, you can add more chili as you like. Then we continue to cut all the shallots into thin pieces. Let's start cooking. Pour some cooking oil into wok. Let's put the ginger in the wok and fry it for about 1 minute at high temperature. Then continue put the lemongrass into the wok and stir fry until you smell the aroma. Then add the shallots and stir fry for 2 to 3 minutes until all the aroma comes out. Stir fry until the aroma comes out. Stir fry the onion until it is half scorched, it will be perfect. Stir fry until fragrant, then pour about 1.5 liters of water. The amount of water must cover your fish. Put all the tamarind piece into the soup. And small chilies. Stir well. Cover it and boil for 10 minutes on high heat. After boiling for 10 minutes, we put the fresh lime juice in. Stir well. Then, take out all the lemongrass segments. Okay, now is the time put in all the yellow striped scadfish in. Please note that the sour spicy soup is best to cover all the fish, so that the fish is well cooked evenly. Add 2 tablespoons of fish sauce. Turn on the high temperature and continue boiling. Cover the pot and cook the fish for about 10 minutes until well cooked.
Now is the time to add 3 tablespoons of sugar to adjust the sourness to perfect taste. After boiling the fish for 10 minutes at high temperature, the fish is fully cooked. Okay, the delicious sour and spicy fish is done. This is a very appetizing sour and spicy fish meal that will definitely whet your family's appetite after eating it. They sure can't get enough of this tasty fish. Let's take a look at the tips of the 5 main key indispensable ingredients ratio. In this video, we show you cooking with 10 fish, 10 shallots, 10 tamarinds, 10 limes and 10 lemongrass. This meal is suitable for 6-10 people dining. Other materials can be adjusted according to your own preferences. If you are cooking for one person, you can follow the following proportion: 1 person, 1 fish, 1 shallots, 1 tamarinds, 1 limes and 1 lemongrass. It will be sure nice and tasty. Other materials can be adjusted according to your own preferences.
Please subscribe and press the bell if you enjoy my video. More video is waiting for you.
Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy my video.